Welcome to today's free course, which is all about YouTube automation with AI. Right now, AI has made it easier than ever to start YouTube automation, and the method I'm going to share with you today will honestly blow your mind. So why YouTube automation? And the reason I love it is because you don't need to show your face and there's no limit to how much money you can earn. And now with the power of AI, most of the heavy lifting is done for you. That means it's easier than ever to start, even if you're a complete beginner. And by the end of this course, you will know exactly how to pick the right niche for your channel, to create faceless YouTube video using AI, and to design clickable titles and thumbnails, then grow your channel and rank in search, then finally get monetized and start earning real income. And yes, I'll be showing you step by step how to do this with InVideo AI, and I'll leave my link to sign up with InVideo AI in the description below. So go right ahead and sign up. So let's jump right in with the 5 simple steps for YouTube automation with AI in 2025. Step 1, pick your niche. This is the title or the topic, and the first step in YouTube automation is choosing your niche. The truth is there isn't a single best niche. Instead, the best niche for you is the one that sits at the sweet spot between 3 things. That is your interest. You don't need to be an expert, but you should have at least some curiosity about the topic. And 2, evergreen demand, topics that people always search for after years to come. Or monetization potential, that niches that advertisers love because that means higher ad revenue. Some of the top faceless YouTube niches in 2025 include finance and investing. This is videos about money, side hustles, and business tips. And secondly, health and fitness. These are simple home workouts, diet hacks, or wellness tips. Then we have travel, destination guides, hidden gems, and budget tips. And here's my simple tip. If you're stuck, just open ChatGPT and type, give me 50 faceless YouTube channel ideas in a travel niche, and there you go. You'll instantly get tons of inspiration. Remember, don't overthink this step. Just pick a niche that you feel comfortable with and move forward. You can always pivot later. Then step 2, create videos with AI. Once you have a niche, it's time to create your videos. Here's where the magic of AI tools like InVideo comes in. Instead of spending weeks learning video editing or hiring experienced freelancers, you can create faceless YouTube videos in just a few minutes. Let me walk you through how it works. Go to InVideo AI with the link in the description. Enter your topic or script idea. For example, let's say you want to make a video on top 5 travel destination to Greece. The AI instantly generates a video for you, complete with stock footage, background music, and a voiceover. The other example is top 3 destinations in the Maldives, which is one of the most beautiful places on earth. A tropical paradise made of over 1,000 islands in the Indian Ocean, known for its white sandy beaches, turquoise waters, and luxury resorts. It's a dream destination for travelers all around the world. And in this video, let's now use InVideo AI to create the top 3 must-visit destinations in Maldives. Use this prompt for InVideo AI. Create a travel video about the top 3 travel destinations in the Maldives. Show beautiful tropical beaches, turquoise waters, luxury overwater villas, vibrant coral reefs, and stunning aerial views of the islands. Highlight Male City and the markets and the mosques. Bar Atoll with manta rays and whale sharks, and Ari Atoll with luxury resorts and underwater adventures. Use relaxing background music, smooth transition, and text overlays for each destination. And there you have it, the top 3 destinations in the Maldives that every traveler should experience, from the cultural heartbeat to the natural wonders and the luxury meets the adventure vibes. The Maldives truly has something for everyone. If you're dreaming of a tropical getaway, this island paradise should be at the very top of your list.
Close your eyes for a moment. What does paradise look like to you? I bet it looks a lot like the Maldives. Imagine endless stretches of the softest, whitest sand you have ever felt. Picture water so clear and so blue it almost doesn't seem real. This is not just a dream. This is a real place. The Maldives is a stunning chain of islands, a nation of more than 1,000 coral islands scattered across the Indian Ocean like precious jewels. Each one is a tiny speck of pure bliss. It promises a getaway that truly feels like an escape from the everyday world. Time seems to slow down here. Breathe deeply and just be. Travel is about places that touch your soul, and the Maldives does just that. It is more than just a beautiful destination for a postcard. It's a feeling. It's the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle sound of waves lapping at the shore. This is the ultimate tropical escape, a place where you can disconnect from the noise and reconnect with yourself. Whether you are looking for adventure beneath the waves or simply a quiet spot to read a book with your toes in the sand, the Maldives offers it all. It's a destination that welcomes everyone with open arms and a warm, sunny smile. Getting here is part of the adventure. Your own personal paradise is out there, just waiting to be discovered. Before you retreat to your tranquil island resort, I always recommend spending a little time in the capital city, Male. It is the vibrant, beating heart of the Maldives. This city is a fascinating contrast to the quiet, secluded islands that surround it. Male is a compact, bustling hub of culture and commerce, where you can get a real sense of local life. One of my favorite things to do in Male is to wander through the local markets. The Male Fish Market is an incredible experience for the senses. Giant tuna. Right next door is the local market, which is bursting with fresh fruits. The Grand Friday Mosque, with its stunning white marble and its magnificent golden dome. It is an impressive sight. Nearby, you will also find the Old Friday Mosque, Hukuru Miski. It is intricately carved from coral stone, a true testament to traditional Maldivian craftsmanship. Exploring Male gives you a deeper appreciation for the Maldives. A day in Male connects you to the people and their stories, adding a wonderful layer of depth to your Maldivian adventure. Now, let's leave the city behind and head to one of the most magical places on Earth, Ba Atoll. This atoll is so special that it has been designated a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. It means this area is a global hotspot for marine biodiversity, a protected paradise where nature is allowed to thrive in all its glory. The water here is an indescribable shade of turquoise, so clear that you can see straight to the sandy bottom. This is where you come to witness the true underwater spectacle of the Maldives, a world teeming with life, color, and constant motion. Ba Atoll is world famous for one incredible reason. It is a gathering place for gentle giants of the ocean. During the southwest monsoon season, typically from May to November, vast numbers of manta rays and even whale sharks congregate in Hanafaru Bay. They come here to feed on the rich plankton that gets concentrated in the bay. Snorkeling here is an experience that will change you. Imagine floating in the warm water as dozens of graceful manta rays, with wingspans of several meters, glide and dance all around you. It is a breathtaking, humbling, and absolutely unforgettable ballet of nature. Of course, life in Ba Atoll is just as beautiful from above the water. This is where you will find some of the most idyllic overwater villas. You can step directly from your private deck into the warm ocean for a morning swim. You can lie in a hammock and watch schools of colorful fish swim beneath you. If you are looking for that perfect blend of adventure and pure luxury, then our next stop, Ari Atoll, is the place for you. This large atoll is divided into two parts, North Ari and South Ari, and it is renowned for its world-class resorts and incredible diving opportunities. This is where the Maldives really shows off its glamorous side. The resorts here are designed to pamper you in every way possible, offering impeccable service and exquisite dining and stunning accommodations. One of the most unique experiences you can have in Ari Atoll is dining beneath the waves. Several resorts here feature incredible underwater restaurants. Imagine sitting in a glass-enclosed dining room 5 meters below the surface of the ocean, enjoying a gourmet meal. As you dine, a vibrant marine world unfolds all around you. It is a surreal and magical dining experience that combines fine food with the wonder of the ocean. As our journey through these Maldivian hotspots comes to an end, I hope you feel a sense of peace and inspiration. We've walked through the lively streets of Malé, connecting with the culture and history of this island nation. We've floated alongside gentle giants in the protected waters of Ba Atoll, and we've indulged in the luxurious side of paradise in Ari Atoll. Your own personal paradise is out there, just waiting to be discovered.
And here's the best part. InVideo AI doesn't just save you time, it gives you scalable production power. That means you create multiple videos per week without burning out. Aim for videos that are 8 to 12 minutes long because YouTube allows multiple ads in videos longer than 8 minutes, which means more revenue potential. With InVideo AI, they have various plans, and I would recommend the generative plan or Max plan, which has the best stock image, videos, and films. You can actually pay for only 1 month and generate as many videos as you want for the whole month, and that's it. You get great videos for your Faceless YouTube channel. Then step 3, optimize titles and thumbnails. Now, even if your video is amazing, people won't click unless your title and thumbnails are irresistible. And here's the formula that I use. Titles with clear curiosity driven and keyword friendly. For example, top 10 travel hacks you wish you knew sooner. Then thumbnails with bold text, high contrast, and one clear focus. Tools like Canva can help you design thumbnails, and if you want inspiration, just search your niche on YouTube and see what's already working. Then step number 4, grow your rank with SEO. Once you've got your videos ready, you need to help people find them. And that's where YouTube SEO comes in. It's actually simple when you break it down. Keywords in titles include the main search terms that people use often. Then descriptions, at least write 200 to 300 words explaining what your video is all about. Then tags and hashtags. Here you add relevant ones like make money online, travel guide. Consistency, post at least 2 to 3 videos per week when starting out. The more videos you publish, the more chances YouTube has to recommend your content. And here's something powerful. Once a video ranks, it can keep getting views for months or even years. So step number 5, which is the final step, is monetize your channel. Now let's talk about the fun part, that's making money. There are multiple ways to monetize your channel. One is YouTube AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn from ads. Then affiliate marketing. Here you promote tools, products, or services in your niche and earn commissions. And that's it, my friends. If you follow these steps, you can build a faceless YouTube channel that runs almost on autopilot. And if you're ready to start, I highly recommend trying InVideo AI. Get the link in the description. It won't cost you anything extra. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video with someone who wants to start making money online. This is Ruth Finance signing off, helping you turn AI into income. And until next time, keep creating, keep believing, and keep building a life of financial freedom.